Hello everyone, I'm David Kombakanda from Sierra Leone, a student at Jala University, Jala campus. Today I want to answer the questions that say about the Millennium Fellowship. It says, tell us about the time you had to manage a team or organize an event. What was the biggest challenge you faced in motivating others or managing logistics, and what was the outcome? Well, I'm into climate change activities. I'm a climate change activist, and we have this organization called Nature Environmental Organization, registered nationally and also on campus. And on April 29, we host the Jeff Ambassador, that is a Green Art Action Foundation. We host them on campus, Joel campus, and I was tasked with the coordination of students on campus because the Jeff Ambassador was not on campus, but I was. So because of this Nature Environmental Protection Organization, we host the Jeff Ambassador. So I was tasked with coordinating everything to get participants on board and 15 volunteers. So I first create a WhatsApp group, then try to create something like online application for the Nature Environmental Protection Organization (NEPO). Students applied, and we invited them. Send the WhatsApp link to them through their emails, so they joined the WhatsApp group. Through there, I was informing them continuously about the Jeff program, what it's all about tree planting, environmental change, and all that. But there were some that find it very difficult because they are not into tree planting and climate change. These are students from different schools in the university. Some are doing BIT, computer science, and others are engineering students, whilst from the School of Agriculture, some can relate a little bit, whilst others from like natural resource management, forestry, aquaculture, they can also relate. So like some of them get in touch. I also ask them to inform the others, help me get their own friends that are in different departments to get in touch with everybody so we can try to see how best we can help everybody to get on board. So like that's how I use communication, using people that know a little bit about climate change to inform their nearest neighbors, their friends, and colleagues on campus so they can also take part. At the end of the day, I was able to get about the 15 volunteers. Of course, I get them, but like we were actually aiming for 40 participants, but I was only able to get 30. But even though they did not turn that much, but I think it was better. Then we took part in the Jeff Foundation the 29. It went well because we did plant the trees with the participants, including the volunteers, and we were given this a polo for identification, a polo with the Jeff logo and a white hat. So it went well. We planted the trees at the end of the day. We planted about 100 cashew trees, and also we put a sustainability measure in place by there is a tank on campus. Normally, it just being filled when there is electricity. When there is light, it automatically fills up. Then later, we'll use the tank, even though there is no connection to the place, but it's not that far from the tank. So we just use watering cans and 5 gallons and gallons. Like we use up to 4 or 5 gallons. We just fill them up, go to the site, use the watering cans to water the the cashew plant. So They are going well presently, because presently it's the rainy season here, so we have ceased. We are not working right now. They are growing on their own now because it rains almost every day here. So that's one of the thing. So thank you.